伫咧美国，这未成年就生囝的妈妈呢，案例是真多。伫德州，就一间学校专门收容有心或者是无结婚就做妈妈的少女，因会当甲这囡仔带去这学校附近的幼稚园，才安心去上课。这项措施唔但照顾到这幼囡仔，也兼顾到少年妈妈未来，帮助因有新的人生。
17岁的马图斯透早坐校车上课，到伊的时阵，都爱先抱身边坐伫安全椅的宝贝查某囝。听后入去学校，已经有其他共款带囡仔的同学伫食早顿。带囡仔来上课，伫一般的学校根本是无可能。毋过伫德州布朗斯威尔这间中学，专门收容无结婚生囝也是有心的少女。学校内底有设托儿所，或者无结婚的妈妈会当免烦恼，安心上课。
If there wasn't a school like this, it would be very hard for a lot of teen mothers because in regular school it's really hard to like go when you're pregnant and all the kids pushing you and all that stuff. And then in regular schools they wouldn't understand your situation, and here they do.
学生讲，这间学校老师袂甲你批评，颠倒因会甲你斗相共，会当体谅。像讲有当时学生囡仔因为暗时爱照顾囡仔精神无好，老师会允准学生囡仔困10分钟，都是这个体谅心，互学生感觉真温暖。
Here they don't give me homework. I finish everything in school, then I spend more time with my daughter. And if I was over there, I wouldn't have time for her. So it really did change. It really did change my life for the better.
这间学校由德州州政府补助，目前收容53个6年级至12年级的学生囡仔，主要是当地低收入的西班牙语的社区。托儿所有16个名额，学校的老师是讲，每一个来这间学校的学生囡仔，可能拢有一个伤心的故事，不过因原来有求学的权利。
These girls, we're just trying to make sure that they graduate. We want them and their babies to have a better shot at the future, a better chance in the future, more opportunities.
这个无放弃学习的未婚妈妈内底，有人的愿望是要做老师，有的要做妇产科医生。因原来鼓励有其他类似做务的查某囡仔，唔通放弃学业，勇敢追求更较好的未来。公视新闻詹慧敏编译。